Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about the alimentary canal of insects. Alimentary canal of insects is very important part of the body. Alimentary canal of the insect is a tubular epithelium which is either straight or convoluted running from mouth to anus. The length of alimentary canal may differ in different insects. When alimentary canal is found in convoluted form, its length is more than the length of insect body. Generally, the alimentary canal is long in those insects which feed upon liquid food rather than those insects which feed upon solid food. The larvae of Hemiptera are exception of this rule. These larvae are liquid feeders, but they have short alimentary canal. The simplest and shortest alimentary canal found in many larvae of Lepidoptera, Hymenoptera, and Diptera. The adults of Dermaptera, Aterigotes, etc. The largest alimentary canal found in adult Homoptera and larvae of Diptera. Only in the head region, the alimentary canal is supported by muscles, and elsewhere, its cells are supported by tracheal branches. Morphologically, it consists of three main regions: foregut, that is called stomodium; midgut, that is known as mesenteron; and hindgut, that is known as proctorium. These regions are further divided in many parts which perform the various functions. Foregut or stomodium. Stomodium is the initial part of the alimentary canal. It consists of following parts: buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, crop, and proventriculus. This is the alimentary canal. Proventriculus is known as gizzard. This is the alimentary canal. This part is known as the foregut from this to this. This one is known as from here to here is known as midgut, or this one is known as remaining part is known as hindgut. तो ये एलिमेंट्री कैनाल की बात है। ये इस तरह से यहाँ से यहाँ तक, यहाँ से यहाँ तक मेल बिगिन ट्यूब्यूल्स तक, और यहाँ से पाइलोरिस के बाद हम अगर देखें यहाँ से और एनस तक रेक्टम, पाइलोरिक, पाइलोरस, इलियम और रेक्टम. This one is known as hindgut. Before the buccal cavity, preoral cavity is also found, which is the space between the mouth parts and labrum. Although it is not a part of alimentary canal, but it is concerned with the injection of the food in mandibulate insect. Preoral cavity is divided by hypopharynx into two regions. The anterior is Siberium, or posterior is known as salivarium. Siberium may form a small temporary storage house or may be modified into a sucking pump. As in Thysanoptera, Hemiptera, etc., The salivarium may also modified into the salivary syringe as in Hemiptera. The chief function of the foregut is the conduction of the food from mouth to mesentery, storage the food by crop, crushing and pulverizing of the food by gizzard. These are the main functions of the foregut parts. Anatomy and histology of the foregut. Stomodium is the ectodermal in origin. It is lined by the cuticular layer which is known as intima. The stomodium wall consists of some elements as the body wall. Stomodium consists of following layers from lumen of alimentary canal to body cavity. First is the chitinous cuticular layer intima which line the cavity of alimentary canal, and it is thick with short hairs and spicules. Then epithelium and basement membrane. The epithelial cells are flat and their boundaries are indistinct. The epithelium and intima both forming the longitudinal folds towards the outside of the basement membrane. Muscular sheath is present in which outer layer is made of cuticular muscles. In inner layer is made of longitudinal muscles. Buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is the initial part of stomodium. On the buccal cavity, the second group of dilator muscles are inserted. It play not any important role in digestion. It is similar to the pharynx in structure. Pharynx follows the buccal cavity. Pharynx is present and there is no clear differentiation between buccal cavity and pharynx. Generally, the pharynx lies before the nerve connection between the brain and its subesophageal ganglion. In some insect, like Blatta cockroach, in it is divided into an anterior and posterior pharynx. The function of the pharynx is only the conduction of the food from buccal cavity to esophagus. Esophagus has no definite morphological status and it is typically a straight narrow tube and it only conducts the food from pharynx to crop. Its inner wall is longitudinally folded. The crop is found almost in all the insect and it is an enlargement of the posterior part of the esophagus. It is variable in form. For example, in some insect, it arises as lateral dilation from the esophagus, either in the form of a simple sac or a slender tube-like structure. Some Diptera and Isoptera. The walls of the crop is thin and muscular sheath is also weakly developed. In most Orthoptera and Dictyoptera, it is very conspicuous. The primary function of the crop is the storage of the food, temporary reservoir. Most insect feeds rapidly when food is available in abundance, and thin and this excess food is stored in the crop. For example, this set Saxifly glossina taken great amount of blood and stored in the crop and then transport in the midgut when required. Recently, it has been also proved that the crop is a chief region or site or place where the digestion takes place. For example, in carabids and other beetles, How digestion occurs in the crop? Because the crop wall do not secretes any enzyme for digestion. For this, observe that a salivary enzyme passes back to the crop with food, and the midgut enzymes also passes forwardly and digestion takes place in the crop. Any absorption do not takes place in the crop. Proventriculus, that is known as gizzard. Gizzard is the terminal part of the stomodium is and structurally it is the most highly specialized part of the alimentary canal. This is the proventriculus, TS of crop of grasshopper, or TS of gizzard of grasshopper. It is variously modified in different insect. In fluid feeders, it is very reduced and only in the form of simple wall at the origin of the midgut. A wall is also present in almost all the insect and it is surrounded by circular muscles. In solid feeders, the gizzard is highly specialized and its inner wall intima forming several stage plates or teeth which help in the crushing and pulverizing and mixing the food with digestive enzymes. In cockroach and cricket, the number of plates or teeth is six. The muscles of the proventriculus are highly powerful. Proventricular the control and the movement of the food from crop to midgut. In Acridoidea, there are six longitudinal folds with small cuticular teeth in the gizzard. Here, the gizzard work simple as wall, which retaining food in the crop and it allow the forward movement of midgut enzymes. The proventriculus of the bees is very specialized. In bees, the four mobile lips are arises from the proventriculus and they projection into the crop, which having small curved spines, these all lips are converging in the crop and help in the formation of honey. In honeybees, the proventriculus is also called as honey shoppers. Here, gizzard perform two most functions. It controls the movement of food from the crop of the midgut. These lips are able to remove pollen from their suspension in nectar. In the crop, they retained the nectar of the moon. They retain the nectar. The movement of crop and lips occurs in such a way that pollen grains pass down to the midgut and nectar is retained in the crop for forming the honey. This is the longitudinal section of the part of esophagus, crop, and proventriculus, then the midgut. Here is the crop part, the major part. This one is the denticles of the proventriculus. This part is proventriculus, or these denticles help in masticating the food which comes from the crop. Here is the strong muscular circular muscles are present. In these muscles, dilation occurs and contraction and relaxation occurs regularly, by which these denticles are masticate the, that food which come in contact. Here is the midgut ceca or midgut diverticulum. Stomodial wall is here or proventriculus is here. So this is all about the foregut of the insect. The remaining part of alimentary canal will be discussed tomorrow. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.